That's the smash burger. In hindsight, I probably wouldn't have smushed it that much. But yeah, it is what it is. It's supposed to be like gnarly, right? What's happening? I'm Whyte Rushen. I'm here at the Katto kitchen and I'm cooking one of my iconic smash burgers. Obviously a smash burger is kind of like a really thin, crispy, quickly cooked patty, often smothered in cheese. Nice cheap cheese. We're gonna do a burger sauce with some shallots and gherkins run through it and a nice toasted brioche bun. First thing, we will make the sauce actually. The trick is the ratios really. It's about 50% mustard to 25% of the other sauces. It's what gives it that nice sharp tang. Cuts through the fat of the burger. So you've got all three of your sauces in there, your ketchup, your mayonnaise and your mustard. Give that a little mix. Then we're just gonna hit it with some white sugar. Plenty of sugar. It's quite like a nice, sweet, acidic. It's like burger sauce, right? You know, like that kind of, are we allowed to say McDonald's? So yeah, it's kind of a riff on a Big Mac sauce, man. And then once you get to that stage, garlic and onion powder in. Onion powder, garlic powder. We just have to dice up our vegetables after. Crack on with the veg. Slice it nice and thin. Arrange them like so. Cut them into strips. It doesn't have to be like crazy neat because it's going into a sauce, right? Get that in there. All right, so that's gonna be that. Yeah, I'm gonna do a couple of these shallots. Kind of get them into roughly the same size as the gherkins there. That's one whole shallot into the sauce, along with the gherkins. Give it a little mix up. Tiny bit of seasoning. Because obviously like all the ketchup, the mustard, the mayonnaise, it's already like seasoned, right? A little bit of pepper. And that's the burger sauce done. And now we're gonna go on to, just making the patty itself. So we've got some beef mince, pretty simple stuff. We are gonna mix through some more of that French's. That kind of works as like our binder. A lot of people will use like breadcrumbs, eggs, but we're just trying to keep it kind of just like as much meat as possible, I guess. Season that up with some salt. A little bit more of that garlic and onion powder. A little bit of pepper. And then give it a mix. Just get in there with your hands, eh? Like when you first get the mince, it's kind of in those like strands, right? So like by the time it's done, you're kind of like uniform shape. And then, as simple as that. Like normally we'd let them sit overnight, kind of, just to marinate a bit, just to get all that flavour and like working through the mince. But yeah, we're good to go, man. All right, so dry pan, no oil, and then yeah, just drop them straight in. Back of a bowl I normally use because it's kind of always just around, and give it the namesake, the smash. Yeah, nice crisp on there. And then once it's flipped, you want to go straight on with the cheese. Always double. And then get some water in there. Just to steam that. Melt that cheese. It's pretty wild, eh? Yeah, give it like a minute. Yeah, so now we've got a nice brioche bun. Just going to cut it in half. Straight down the middle. Simple as that, and then yeah, just get it onto toast. Burger's ready. Then we can just take that out. So the bun is nicely toasted, bottom down, sauce on both sides, because that's just how we roll. Patty on, sauce, and then yeah, stick your lid on. So yeah, there it is, the Whyte Rushen smash burger. Give it a go.